What's up, guys? Welcome back. Chum Chompkins from Poppy Playtime, Chapter 5. I wanted to do him with, like, the teeth, you know, the creepy teeth in his stomach. So, let's try. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. 2 eyes, one bigger than the other, and one lower down than the other one. So, we'll start with the high one. This is the top eye. So, it, like, curves over. And then his eyelid kind of like comes around the top. Might be a bit furry. So then we have the white of his eye. So there's like a big white ball sort of shape coming around here. And then a big pupil. I think it's just black, but it might be brown, but I'm not sure. So I think I'll do it black, and I'll leave a little like white shiny up here, a highlight. Okay, I think he has like an extra like piece of skin or something around his eye, around the bottom here. So I'm just going to trace around this line again. So his other eye, then it's lower down, so it kind of like starts below this eye, so it like curves this way. And then again you get like his eyelid line coming up and around. It might get a bit furry sometimes. And then we have the white ball. Circle for his eye. And then we get the black one. So you go around the inside. And then he has a piece of skin that goes around that as well. Like an eyelid line. So I'll put my shiny, same spot, and I'll color the rest black. All right, so he doesn't have a mouth. It's like lots of fur, right? So there's like lots of fur sort of sticking out the side of his head and everything. Like his head's all furry. So as furry as you can make him, really. So just like go up the side of his head. And he's got like some couple of big ones sticking off the top here. Maybe one like sticking down. And like there's all textures and stuff all here as well. Just to make him look furry on the inside as well. All right, so we'll just keep going. So furry sort of arms coming down this way. You can do them spiky, kind of sketchy fur lines going down there. Same on the other side, pretty much. And then, so this is the inside part of his arm. you know, kind of where his body kind of starts. So all this fur. Coming down for his big belly. I think this one joins his leg actually down here. So he's got one leg forward and one leg back. So say like there's another leg under his belly here. Okay, so then there's like one of his furry feet here. Just all these spikes, and then one under here. So we can just make a couple of toes. How many? 3, I think. 1, 2, 3. And we've got like some stitching on them. We'll do the same over this side. And like his yellow belly, right, comes up and around. It becomes like his lip in here for the open part of his mouth. So this comes down to there. And that's all furry as well. So there's loads of texture and everything everywhere. Right, so we'll bring his arms down. Spiky, always spiking furry arms. Like so. And then his thumb just here. His hands just kind of sticking out and then like furry on his arms. So we got to deal with that mouth. So it's kind of a furry opening as well. So it's kind of maybe a bit smooth on the side there until you get to the top. Then you get like bits of fur sticking out here, just coming around like a half moon sort of shape. And then there's like crazy amounts of teeth. So we can just see like the tops of them on the corners. But then we can see the rest when you get more into the middle, just these spiky teeth. Like that, curving. Boop. And then he's got a couple of square ones, kind of these blocky kind of ones. Just like 2 of them, I think. And then we get like his gum line. So it's like they're all attached to the gums. And then you can kind of see the roof of his mouth. There's all these bumps and stuff just coming around the back of his mouth, around the skin of his mouth in there. And then you can like make him furrier if you want. There he is. Chum Chompkins from chapter 5. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.